How to get filters back on Instagram. So the first step is that you should make sure that you or your phone is connected to an internet so that you may have those filters. So to do that, you just simply go to your control center or your settings and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you have done that, you may now go back to Instagram and then you should go to your camera by swiping right like this one. And then you should be able to see your filters right here. If you want to search for a specific filter, then you may swipe to the rightmost part and click on Browse Effects right here and search for the filter that you want. For example, I want this one. And then I want to save this filter on my Instagram. So what you're going to do is to simply click on this icon right here, and then you should be able to see that filter on the left part of your Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can get filters back on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.